I'm back and we're doing the homework questions for 2D kinematics. So it starts with Morin. Yay, Morin. Oh my god, this guy's causing so much pain. Whatever. A wall with height h is a wall has a height h and is a distance L away. So here's h, here's L. You wish to throw a ball over the wall with a trajectory such that the ball clears the wall at the top of the parabolic motion. What is the initial speed required? Um, okay. Well, okay. So, just looking at it, there's like two ways to do it. I think hold on, I'm gonna try this method. If the video ends up being 30 minutes, you'll know why. Because I actually didn't think this video out actually. I just like took a image of the problem. Like, all right, we'll run with it. All right. So, what I'm thinking is we just do the vector equation, right? I feel like it'd work out. V as a vector plus square root Vx squared plus Vy squared. Right, I think that would work out because it would give you it'd give you the initial speed as a vector, which is exactly what you want it as. And you could fulfill the two conditions. So the condition is it must move a distance L and it must go a height h using these parameters. So yeah, we'll solve for that. And it gets rid of all the thetas because Vx and Vy are already assumed to be like cosine theta or V sine theta. Like they're already assumed to be. So it gets rid of all the annoying like theta terms or any trigonometry. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do this way. Um, so Vx multiplied by t equals to x. And we need to find t. T is going to be equal to VO sine theta all over G. Wait, hold up. I almost slipped up. I remember saying there's no trig functions. I know what this is. Vy all over G. So Vx Vy all over G equals to X. Honestly, this looks a little wonky, but I think we could make it work. Okay. Um, okay, yeah, we should be fine. And then now we have to do Vy. What is Vy? So Vyt minus 1/2 gt squared equals to y, or I guess like you could say h. Oh yeah, and for this one you could say L. Mm-hmm. So here we go. Vy squared all over g minus 1/2 g Vy all over g squared equals to h. So what is that? G squared on. Okay, so Vy squared all over g minus g Vy squared all over. Wait, no, there is no g on the top because it cancels, right? Yeah. Yeah. Should be this equals h. So, oh, it's just a kinematic equation. Oh my God, I'm actually so stupid. Okay, okay, look, what I'm saying is Vyf, the final Vy squared equals to Vo, um, Vyo squared minus 2gh. You set this equal to 0 and, okay. Well, at least I'm proving physics. Okay, like, okay, I'm actually so stupid. Whatever. But yeah, we get this anyway. Vy equals square root 2gh. And yeah, now we can plug that into Vx2. So what is this? Vx equals to GL all over square root 2GH. And now I just plug it into here, right? Oh wait, this is actually not even that bad of a problem. I thought this would be way worse just because of Morin. I'm discriminating against Morin now. Uh, I won't. First impressions, I thought it was really difficult. Now impressions, it's not that difficult. Imagine actually slip up like just like fast forward like 10 minutes. It'd be like I'm actually just dying. Yeah, that's what I was. Is this foreshadowing? I don't know. I had to use foreshadowing on my English journals. I'm catching the rye. That was pretty annoying. But at least I got it done, right? That's all that matters. G squared L squared all over 2GH plus plus 2GH. I think that's actually the answer though, but could we do something with this 2GH to make it like less redundant? Uh, I don't even know if redundant's the right word there. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I don't think so actually. Could we? No, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah, I don't care. Square root 2GH plus G squared L squared all over 2GH. Okay, that's the solution. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that should be it. I'm gonna do it again actually. That should be a solution, but I'm gonna do it with a different method. Just because, like, maybe you didn't get, like, where we got this vector equation from. It's just literally definition of a vector.